All right, folks, so I am going to go over 57. And just a heads up, to do 57, you actually have to go read 55 for the info. So they're talking about drink lids. From 55, I get that they're trying to make sure that lids that fit will be from 3.95 to 4.05, otherwise they won't fit. And the normal curve we're working with is 3.98 drink lid diameter in inches with a standard deviation of 0.02. So for 57, they're saying here's a strategy to make it so that more lids fit. And the strategy they're proposing is keeping this graph with the same standard deviation, but adjusting the whole graph left and right so that only 1% of the lids are too small. And then too small will be just from question 55, anything less than 3.95. So what we're looking at is a graph where we don't know the mean, but we're sticking with the 0.02. And the idea is that 0.01001% of the lids will be too small, and too small is defined in question 55 as 3.95. So we're looking at this graph and we're saying, hey, can we use this information to figure out what this mean was supposed to be? So heads up, to do this, you basically want to have enough information in your problem to do a z-score calculation. So the z-score calculation is, you need a z-score, a value that you care about, a mean, and a standard deviation. So at this very moment, we have the x, the 3.95. We are looking for the mean, and they told us to keep the same standard deviation. And then to make this problem actually go, all you need is a z-score, right? So I need this number, so I only have one unknown. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to look up what the z-score is of something at the first percentile. Now, be insanely careful with these. It's really easy to make a silly decimal error on these guys. Things are very, very wacky up here. So heads up, these are the two choices. This one's closer, so negative 2.33. Negative 2.33, and then I can solve for my lid. All right?